Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one that came out of a Nakama Noodles box. Go to MIAU, meow, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. This is a Maruchan Toyo Season Kuta, which means I'm full or satisfied. Light, what is it? Cheese cream affair thing deal here, and they're kind of interesting and weird. They've had taco ones, they've had all sorts of stuff, but it's like they're hey, look at all the stuff that's in this cup. So these I wish had paper labels, but companies don't seem to care whether I can scan a package or not easily, so I have to take a bunch of pictures and rotate it, and so that's enough of my belly aching about what I have to do. But now we're going to show you what you do with your instant noodle. And I don't think I'm really going to do a whole heck of a lot to this one. It goes for 3 minutes. There we go. And yeah, like I was saying on the last episode, it is a wet, breezy, rainy slog out there today. I got things I needed. I'm happy about that, at least. It's getting closer to noon, and I got 2 of the 3 noodles I was going to cook done, but it's going to be my wife's lunch, and since she works at home now, I'm going to hang out with her for lunch. So once that's done, then I'm going to do the 3rd one. That's what I'm going to have to do. So I should there it is. Put the lid on my special equipment here. The next one's going to be more of a involved tonkatsu, so I really am not going to have time for that at the moment. The last one I did that was a tonkatsu was really quite good, so... that was a miso, that's right. I gotta put away my last egg. Debating whether to make some eggs this afternoon. It's a possibility. I may egg it up, egg it on, egg with it. Ugh. Nasal with nose. I don't know, we got some kind of sick. It's like sick, she had a fever, we were all feeling crummy, and then it went away, and then it kind of like came back. I don't know if it's 2 different things, I don't know if it's allergies all wrapped into the mix, but just hacking up funk for days. I'm kind of good on it. Yeah, a yuck factory over here, folks. Yucking it up. Yucking it up. So the big news today is they had a funeral for the president of Iran, and the Trump trial is in effect over. They're going to give the jury instructions, tell them what to do, and then we wait. And I guess next week we'll know what they decided. If based on the evidence, and the evidence is all, without a shadow of a doubt, that guy's going up the river. If not, then he's not. And honestly, I don't like the guy, but the way I see it is if a jury finds him not guilty, they find him not guilty. And as much whining and complaining as I could do about it, I'm not even going to bother, because technically justice has gone through its deal, This looks interesting. And I looked up because there's a lot of these cheese creams that I've reviewed in the past, and this one I think is different because I enter the barcode on each one into my posts so I can search by that. And nope. Mm-hmm. I like the meaty bits. This reminds me of a much creamier version of Maruchan creamy chicken, but way creamier and definitely with a cheese element. And the little meaty bits are very welcome and very nice. This is a nice cup. You ask, would I get this to eat recreationally? I don't know. When I eat noodles, just like most people, when they eat something, they just eat it because they're hungry and they're going to eat food. I don't do that. I've got a weird deal here, you know? If I was going to do this, if I was going to make this, I don't know that I would make this just to eat. Honestly. What do you mean, Ramen Raider? You don't eat all those noodles you make? No. No, ma'am, sir, person. A little chili crisp can never hurt. Oh my god. I really recommend go to your online and go to Eat Curry Curry. That's Karikari. Get some of this stuff because it is off the hook. I would say it's the best chili crisp I've had. And the other one that I like is the what do you call it? Homiah, Homiah. They make a Malaysian sambal crisp, which is based on prawn, and it's freaking ungodly good. That'll make your face fall off and go, ooh, prawn. Yeah, nice people working over there. Nice people at both places because they both send me samples. But, you know, I've talked to both of them. Quite good. Quite quality humans. Especially when they're making stuff like that. But yeah, a light garnish today for this one. And, yeah. All right, yeah, check out those Nakama noodle boxes. If you're in Japanese varieties, they're really quite nice. People are great, and I groove on that a lot. I'm super stoked. Anyways, the next one is going to be another Myojo fresh variety like I did yesterday, but it's going to be a Hakata Tonkatsu, and I'm really excited about that. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Miriam, and my favorite type of noodles is creamy chicken noodles, and I sometimes like egg on it, and I like Naruto with it, and cheese on top. It's my most favorite, favorite, favorite.